Instagram messages disappear or get deleted automatically, and there seems to be no way of fixing it. If you've ever had this issue, then this video is for you. Today, I am going to walk you through how to fix your Instagram messages from disappearing or getting deleted automatically. So without any further ado, let's get started right away. So first of all, open up your Google Play Store and tap on the search bar up top and search for Instagram. And then you want to uninstall the app that you currently have on your phone, and then install it again on your phone. After that, go over to your settings, and then scroll down and tap on apps. And then tap on this search bar up top and search for Instagram. And then when you are on this screen, tap on storage. You want to clear all of the data that is associated with the app, and then go back and tap on permissions. You want to give permission for all of these, and then restart your device and log back into Instagram, and you should be all right. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.